Hello all, I am Nupur Mukherjee. I am a migrated Bengali. I'm born and brought up in Gujarat. I studied there till HSC Standard 12th, and post that I shifted my base to Mumbai. Thereafter I got campus recruited from my B school to one of the leading private sector banks. I was working in the corporate head office and had a very promising tenure out there, both compensation wise as well as in terms of profile. That was really satisfactory for me. But I got married to a real life hero, that is a defense officer. After marriage, I did continue with my banking career for some time, but with frequent transfers on cards every now and then, it became really difficult for me to continue with banking for a little longer time. That was because banking back then did not really offer you work from home options much, and there were certain locations that were really remote at that time, so corporate options were very limited. It was then that I shifted my base into academics. I taught in a college for some time, but believe me, in the remote parts of the country, even the compensation that you receive in the education field is really limited. It reduced my compensation for less than half. So I couldn't really find myself motivated to work for long. Thereafter, again after 6 months, there was a transfer due. So with that, I got really desperate enough to start doing something that really matches my skill sets, as well as that is rewarding for me. Chegg came to me as a magical part. Things really change dramatically when you have kids in the picture as well. So with me, the same challenge happened. First 2 to 3 years, when my kid was there as a toddler, I couldn't really do much about looking for options, job options actively. But the moment I put him in nursery, I thought this is the time I can best utilize, and Chegg just happened to come at the opportune time. So I would put my son to the school, come back, solve the questions. I would wake up really early in the morning, because the peace hours, I believe, is in the late night hours and the early morning hours. You have a lot of opportunity to explore your subject areas, to learn about more topics, to understand the questions that students post in a better way, because there's peace, there's calmness all around. Chegg in a way helped me regain my lost confidence back, to be honest, because when you have a break in your career, which is significant in nature, you are desperate to come back in full form. That is where Chegg played an important role. It helped me regain back my confidence. It also helped me build my own identity all over again. I can now take my financial decisions all on my own. I can take charge of my household chores. At the same time, I can spend the way I wish to. I usually love to divide my spendings between both leisure and investments. So the financial independence that I got was all thanks to Chegg.